Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact image you want and placing it where the system can access it quickly. Once done, check file type and size because large RAWs slow performance. Convert to JPG or PNG if needed. Make sure the aspect ratio roughly matches your screen so Windows or Mac OS won't stretch it oddly. You should also create a copy in Pictures or Cloud so you can revert. These first steps prevent scaling issues and give you a clean source to work from. Now you open the desktop background controls and add the image. You select a position mode, fill, fit, stretch, tile, or center because each handles scaling differently. Pick fill for full coverage without empty bars or fit to preserve the whole image. Once chosen, preview it on single and any external displays to confirm alignment. If the subject is off-center, crop the source or use built-in reposition tools. Adjust scale and confirm so icons and taskbars aren't covering key parts. Finish by applying the wallpaper and checking it after a sleep or restart to ensure persistence. If the image looks blurry, use a higher resolution file or set display scaling to 100%. Blurriness often comes from upscaling low-res images. If you set a slideshow, make sure those files remain in place and the interval is reasonable so the system can preload them. If permissions prevent changes, run settings as your user or check synced folders. That usually fixes stuck wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.